Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Paterson, and welcome back to another Reddit critique video where I look at any designs that have been voted to the top of our subreddit. Mostly logo designs, branding, and packaging. I'm a graphic designer. I specialize in logo type design and brand identity based in the north of England, and this is what I do. I critique your work, help you out. So if you want to learn more about this, make sure you press the subscribe button down below so you never miss another video. We have got, as of this video, 9.4 thousand members of the subreddit. Nearly at 10k, only 600 more. Only 600 people need to go ahead and join. This video is brought to you by Squarespace. Okay, so top of the week. Let's have a look. Okay, the first one with 58 upvotes says, hey guys, I designed this logo for an integrated farm that raises fish and birds for their meat and eggs. Very odd, but yes. They also grew some vegetables. We used it in West African dishes. The client wanted the logo to show the three main aspects of the farm. Okay, so that's a bit of a challenge. Let's have a look. So the birds, so they've got eggs, meat, fish, and some vegetables. Okay, I can see it. By the way, this logo is pretty good. I think there is some complicated aspects of it, but you've done a really good job giving it really nice form. I'm a bit stranged out by the use of typography here, or the font choice here, but the actual icon itself looks really good. I really like that. Either way, you've got all the components in there for a nice design. Is there any chance of simplifying it? Yes. Do you need to simplify it? You don't have to. It depends on your take and your preference and what's most functional for the farm. I think it looks nice. It's got the green aspects in it. The blue, it's kind of a bit of a strange color. It looks more cold than it does farming. So it kind of looks more fishing than it does farming, but that's just me. I would change the typography if I was you. I don't particularly enjoy the K in there. That sort of strikes as a bit of a strange typeface. I would choose something probably a bit more industrial, a big display font, maybe something condensed. And also watch out for your kerning down here. The F, A, and R are a bit odd going there, but either way, really good composition. I really like it. Well done. Let's have a look at some more of the images. Here we go. Yep, looks good. Looks good. I love the packaging. This is what sells it. Here we go. Also on the Reddit, you can notice that if you put your work up here and I don't critique it because maybe it hasn't gotten enough upvotes, you can see that everyone else in the community goes ahead and critiques it with you and helps you out. So it's a great community to be a part of. The next one is Darts Draws. 51 upvotes, Safari, logo and brand identity. Okay, let's have a look. So you've got an S in there with, it looks like a snake, but I know it's supposed to be an elephant because you can see the horn there. I mean, the composition of this looks great. The logo itself is, you know, it's more illustrative, but you can definitely see the S in there, but it looks just more like a snake. It looks more reptilian than it does Safari personally. But can I just say these mock-ups that you've chosen to put in here are really good. I really like the way that you've made it better by presenting it and trying to sell it rather than just showing us this. Let's see what other people are saying about this design. The icon is cool. And maybe I'm stupid, but I can't make out where the elephant is. I can see the trunk, but that's it. I see more of a snake personally. Thanks for the feedback. The elephant side view can be seen if looking at the negative space. I don't see it. I'll be honest, it's not as clear to me. I don't know if that works. The next one with 48 upvotes is a villain textile company logo. I have no context. Maybe there's context in the comments. So this guy here says, I'm confused. What does the company do? Do they produce textiles or just create textile products? Can you give a bit more info? And the original poster says he doesn't have any information about that. So instantly, I'm not looking at that logo. There's a rule on the subreddit. You have to give context. Otherwise, there's no point in critiquing it. The next one is 41 upvotes. And this one is a logo animation made 4 years ago for a small middle school project. Would change it to bigger font type and different font if you could redo it, but I don't have the original file anymore. So, I mean, when it comes to this design, I'm not too fussed about the logo itself. It seems a bit strange that it looks It doesn't look like wine. It could be blood that's just pouring down there. When it's here and it's got Tourism Barcelona on it, you know, it makes more sense. But no, that does not strike me as sangria. It kind of looks like a drop of blood because there's no glass. And what you would recognize or symbolize wine with is a wine glass. The animation itself from here is pretty good. I like it. It's a bit stop animation-y. It's not got that, you know, same punch to everything else. It could do with more easing, in my opinion. But no, well done, well done. I just want to thank Squarespace for sponsoring this video. If you're a designer, then you need a website, not just for your portfolio, but also for clients to come and contact you. It's not enough just having an email anymore. Contact forms from websites work really well. And not only that, with Squarespace, you can have your own online store and blog, so you can sell your own design resources that you've created. You could sell fonts, you could sell mock-ups, anything that you think of, you can sell to make a bit of money on the side. In fact, I've been using Squarespace for over 7 years to do this, and I've not gone to another website provider because it's so simple and affordable for me. With thousands of easily customizable templates that you can use, you don't have to be a web design wizard to have an amazing looking website. If you'd like to try Squarespace for free for 14 days with a 10% discount after that, then go ahead and click the link down below. You don't have to know any coding, so you can just be a designer and edit some templates or even start from scratch if you like. Back into the video. This next one with 39 votes says, "Hi everyone, this is a personal branding. I'm a software engineer. The concept is born from an idea of technology with a futuristic wordmark. What do you think? I also accept advice on the color palette." Okay, Gerzau. I don't know how to say that. I'm going to say Gerzau. So first of all, you've got the futuristic part down to a T. The actual logo itself looks very futuristic, kind of reminds me of Gorilla Tape. I don't know why. It's probably got nothing to do with Gorilla Tape, but it might just be the G. However, it does not scream engineer at me, to be fair. Not that that's a problem. I think it's a very unique design. I love the way that the G can be used as an icon as well. I think that's really good. It's very legible and you've made it very clear within the whole design here. That doesn't look like a C to me. It doesn't look like a B or a D or anything. It looks like a G. Very clever use of design there for the G. I love the mock-ups here. I think you've done a fantastic job with this one. I think this logo type design is incredible. The colors, I would stay with black and white because that's the easiest. But if you need more colors, then you can go and do it. Black and white is just always the easiest one to go for. Again, for engineering, it doesn't scream engineering. Not that that matters. It's unique and it works really well. It's minimal. You've got an icon out of the logo type and you've got a logo type that works scaled up and down. Wow, you see this guy's gone full critique. On to the next one. 4th time's the charm, right? I've made some adjustments with your feedback and I think the logo is beginning to finish up. Thank you for the help. This community is great. I love it. Do you remember the B one that we did a while ago? This is the best one out of the lot. I mean, it's very simple. It doesn't have to be, but the typeface is so much nicer. I love the way that you've composed wildflower honey at the bottom. This is why we have this subreddit. Look at that. PJ will put up a video of me showing the last one, or you can do if you want, PJ. First of all, it looks like a fish. Sorry. The hummy, that's what it looks like. It looks really good, really simple. Is it too simple now? I don't know. It's probably, it's all up to you, but I think you could add more to the background of the white here. Maybe some more interesting brand assets in there because it's a packaging design now. But again, the logo, really nice, really clear. You see the first version, you got the B and everything. Second version, which also worked as a dirty mind test. Yeah, and it's gone from that to this. Great job. I'm giving you an award because I'll give you 100 because I've only got 275 coins. So Hummy was probably the best one out of the lot there. I really enjoyed seeing the process. Any critique that we give, we love to see you come back and to show us the work that you've done after the critique because it makes sense to show everyone how it works afterwards. But I think you really excelled yourself on there, so very well done. So there you go. There you have it. Those are the designs of it this week. If you think wishing you've got a packaging design or logo design or brand identity that you've worked on that you're really proud of, or you could use some help, go ahead and join the Reddit. You can find the link down below. We also have a Reddit challenge happening right now. There's a link down below where you can go ahead and check it out. It's a Millernote link with the brief of a logo. So if you wanted to follow along with a brief with everyone else and for the chance to see your logo appear on one of these videos, for me to critique it, and not only me, but for thousands of other people on the Reddit to see it and critique it, then go ahead, join that, just start uploading your work and follow the instructions. If you enjoy these types of videos, I post one every week without fail. So don't worry, subscribe, ding the bell so you never miss out. Let me know which one was your favorite down below. Personally, mine was Humi, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See you soon, goodbye.